Wayward Wind.
Do I walk the line, or is it
Let's do
Orange
Paul's.
Blossom Special, or
Let's do Paul's request.
Do Paul's first, and then we'll do Wandering Westward Wind.
Wayward Wind.
Wayward Wind, yeah.
oh yeah, that's a good one.
Let's do Paul's first.
And what's the
The Streets of Loredo. I don't know if I know it all, but I'll try.
Walk out in the streets of Loredo as I walk out in Loredo one day. I spy a young cowboy on his horse. Yes, it's 3/4.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I walk out in the streets of Loredo as I walk down in Loredo one day. I spy a young cowboy all dressed in white linen, as cold as gray.
I don't know where it goes from there, though.
Beat the drum slowly and play the five-four. Play the death march as you carry me along. God, you'd think I would know it.
Let's do Wayward Wind.
Yeah, how'd that go?
Okay, it goes like this.
Wait a minute. Wait before you play it.
Hang on, I'm gonna get the tune here.
Oh, okay.
Now you play a tune, and we'll get the beat. Hang
Um,
on a minute.
what's the name of
The
it?
tune first.
Westward Ho? Westward?
Wayward Wind.
Wayward Wind.
Yeah. It goes like this. Da, 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 dun, da, 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 dun, da, da, dun, dun, dun.
Okay, you guys got it? Oh, that sounds good.
I don't know that one. Sorry.
Jammal,
Didn't seem like you didn't know it.
Jammal, how about,
Yellow Roses of Texas?
The other Rose of Texas.
yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, I don't know it.
Paul can sing
I
that.
still recognize it when you play.
Paul does that.
I don't know if I know that one. Wait, just.
You can let him look up the lyrics.
Yeah,
Oh.
if you wait for me to look up the lyrics, I might be able to sing it.
That guitar sounds good, doesn't
It
it?
does sound good.
If you know what you're doing.
The Yellow Rose of Texas.
Yeah, the Rose of Texas.
Well, that is a good guitar.
Oh, yeah.
Paul told me too that it was a good
Rich gave that to me because I said one time that I wanted to learn how to play it.
I
I've
don't know what
never.
tempo it is.
Yeah, play the melody, Rich. Like the dew. something there that I didn't quite get.
Well, having played that together, the four of us,